Come look, come look, come look. What is it? What is it?
Papa, Mimi.
No, not Papa and Mimi. What are those?
Happy Meal.
Happy Meals? Yeah, are you so happy?
This.
Happy Friday!
Woohoo, Friday!
Normally Adam and I go on dates, just the two of us on Fridays, but this week we decided to bring Carston along, and when asked what he wanted to eat, he said, Happy Meal!
Happy Meal!
Round 1.
All right, welcome back to the Ustach kitchen table where we're trying Happy Meals today. Carston is super happy. Got a bunch of them. It's our dinner for today, and we're starting with McDonald's. But we have Chick-fil-A, Arby's, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, and McDonald's. We have 5 today, all with toys, all chicken nugget Happy Meals, and let's get started.
So we're going to grade them on chicken nuggets, french fries, drink, toy, and the price.
So McDonald's
already gets a negative because Carston's favorite drink is lemonade, and McDonald's does not have lemonade. We also asked for the Beanie Baby toy. They gave us the Snoopy toy.
Ooh. Yep, so we asked for one specific toy. They didn't give it to us. So right now at McDonald's, when we're filming this, Snoopy has a book. Look at that.
It's a Search and Find Space edition for Snoopy with the spy glass.
Not super fun for a 2-year-old,
Not
but
what we asked for.
not what we asked for.
How's the chicken nugget? I think he likes it. You
He
don't want
does
to
like these
share?
ones.
He doesn't want to share with Mommy, but Daddy's having one.
You know me.
Mommy will buy the Daddy's.
Here you go, Mama. So this one, very crisp outside, almost a little leathery on the outside. It's McDonald's, not the best quality, but still good. Carston likes it.
I don't like it.
And French fries, we all know McDonald's French fries. They're normal, they're skinny, and apparently they'll last for days.
The McDonald's nuggets are better than I remembered. Hard and crispy as they are on the outside, they're really mushy and gross on the inside.
All right, so he tried we have a new shirt on that won't show dirtiness, hopefully, but chocolate milk. I've never actually had their chocolate milk.
Okay,
It's
well,
pretty
you
good.
weren't lactose intolerant. You
This
should
is
not
true.
drink it.
So a McDonald's 4-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal is $5.38 out the door, and that's about midpoint. You'll see. We'll talk about prices elsewhere, but I would give out of a 10. I would give the chicken nuggets probably like a 4 out of 10. What do you say?
It's pretty good.
4 out of 10.
Carston really likes these, though.
And then the French fries, they're McDonald's French fries. Again, 4 out of 10.
I'll go a little higher.
Yeah, 5 out of 10 for you.
I'd go like 6 or 7 because everybody likes McDonald's French fries. They're not the best.
Round 2.
Okay, this one is Jack in the Box. So they did have lemonade. You can see it's
He
his
loves
favorite
it.
part. So points for their bag. It's nice and creative. There's nice little games on the bag. Not that he's big enough for them yet.
They were actually pretty quick. Also on the drive-thru, just saying.
They have 5-piece nuggets.
True. So they look better.
They're not soggy on the inside. This is good. And there's actually flavoring in the crust.
Yeah, and the crust is not like this hard encasing either. That's really good. I like these.
These are better than McDonald's.
These nuggets, since there's 5 of them, awesome. These are like a 6. These go all the way up to 6 or I like to say 7. This is a 7 out of 10 for me.
I always said on that. I like that there's like a little bit of pepper in there.
And their French fries are the same size as McDonald's. There's more French fries on the bottom of the bag.
They all fell out.
They're a little bit more crispy than McDonald's
Ooh,
French
I like
fries.
these.
That's why I said McDonald's is like a 4. These again match. They match. They're just as good. I'm gonna say these are 7.
Yep.
Jack in the Box says 7 out of 10 French fries, 7 out of 10 chicken nuggets.
And extra points because they have lemonade.
True, I was lemonade.
It's a little sour.
This one didn't come with a toy though. I guess the bag is kind of the toy.
Huh.
I don't know if they're supposed to give you a toy and they just didn't, but we didn't get a toy. They are $4.84, so less than McDonald's, more chicken nuggets, better quality, no toy.
Round 3.
This one.
This one!
Okay, so we have Chick-fil-A here now, and Chick-fil-A for us is kind of weird. It's in the middle of a campus, the University of Idaho. It's hard to get to, and it's a Chick-fil-A Express.
Okay.
So they didn't have a kids meal, but we still got
A toy!
a toy because I told them it was for my son, and they found a toy for me. which is awesome.
A cow!
A cow! It says eat more chicken on it, which is great.
So
And
we
I
have to-
also made the mistake of ordering grilled nuggets, which he doesn't really eat.
Eat more chicken! Eat more chicken! We already know the slogan. This is already our favorite.
Should we open
We're a
it?
little biased. That's why we cross state lines and go into a college campus that's not our college to get this.
So we have the waffle fries.
Great. The normal chicken nuggets, the crispy, and the grilled chicken nuggets.
And then they also have Chick-fil-A sauce, which is the best.
And sweet spicy sriracha.
I got a whole bunch of sauces. It was pretty sweet.
Oh, I found more
For
fries.
free, which is awesome.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A is nice. They don't charge you for sauces at all.
Yeah.
Ooh, Polynesian sauce.
So here's
Oh, yeah,
Chick-fil-A. They were way more expensive. Chick-fil-A is more expensive all the way around. But these are 8-piece nuggets. They didn't have a kid's meal. But, they have fresh lemonade, which is really good. It's very, very sweet. These are the grilled nuggets. I think they're pretty good.
The reason I like
Lots of
Chick-fil-A,
flavor.
the reason I like Chick-fil-A is because it's not processed chicken. It's really just they cut up a chicken breast, breaded it, or grilled it, and gave it to you in little bites. Whereas Jack in the Box, McDonald's, and the other ones we will try, there's a step of processing in there. You can tell it's
You can
not
tell.
sliced chicken. So for me, it's worth the extra money.
Let's try these extra sauces. I would say the lemonade is not my favorite out of the ones we've tried so far. But these grilled nuggets, which I've never had before, are pretty good. Ooh, sweet and sour sriracha. Super good. Kalyn doesn't like spicy. You're gonna try it anyway? Nope.
Ooh, the sweet part is really good. Oh, that's spicy. Oh, that's spicy. I'm a very big spice one, ever since being pregnant.
Out of this, what would you rate the grilled chicken nuggets?
It's better than I thought. I was expecting it to be really plain and just blah. But there is still some flavoring in it, and there's like the charbroiled grill marks, and it does taste like it was actually on a barbecue.
It took them an extra 4 minutes just to cook these for me because they didn't have any at the time.
So I like them. They're better than I expected. Like an 8 or a 9.
8 or 9? I give them an 8. And let's try these bad boys.
I give the crispy nugget a 9. I don't really know what they could do to make it a 10, except maybe be closer to us.
I'd say 9.
Carston.
Especially because they gave us the toy when there's no Happy Meal, at least at the location we were at.
The fries, they're a little cold right now.
It took us a while to get it.
But when they're warm, they're great. I'd give them like an 8. Sometimes they're a little awkward shaped.
True. I like waffle cut fries better because it's easier to get more dipping or ketchup into your mouth. Which I like. I love condiments. So the Chick-fil-A was like $8 for the meal, and then I ordered an extra chicken nugget, which by itself was like just $4 for an 8-piece. But so overall, it was way more expensive. But you get a lot more, and I think the quality speaks for itself.
Round 4.
All right, next up is Wendy's. I love Wendy's. Wendy's is my favorite fast food overall. But they also have a fun bag. We love their french fries. That's one of my favorite things about Wendy's is their french fries. And we only got the normal nuggets, although we know that the spicy nuggets are back. Well, let's look at the toy first. While she's opening that, the lemonade. Again, it's one of those fresh lemonades. There's some pulp in it. It's really lemony.
It's a transformer. This one, I would score this toy very low.
Why?
Because this is Optimus Prime, right?
Yeah.
But you only get the plastic body. Everything else is these paper cutouts that you have to take out and put in. So
Okay.
here's his face.
The world.
And to get his arms, you like stick them in. And so he ends up looking really funny. They should have gone either all paper or all plastic. As you can see, it looks funky.
Really weird.
Like, look at his little skinny little legs. Like,
That's just awkward.
it tastes like real lemonade, not from a mix.
Real lemonade. Now let's try the chicken nuggets. Similar to McDonald's, actually. It might be because it took us a while to get to the Wendy's again. Wendy's is kind of far away for us.
It even smells like McDonald's. And they have
Pretty much the same.
They have the boot and the bell and the circle shape. I'm pretty sure Wendy's and McDonald's have the same chicken nuggets.
Same chicken nuggets. So,
I do them slightly higher than McDonald's just because the outside's not cooked as long.
so I'd say this one's a 5 then for me. What do you rate it? 5? But these French fries, some of my favorite straight French fries are from Wendy's because they're slightly bigger, they're fried well, and they're salty, which is good. Mama, what do you rate the French fries?
Also slightly better than McDonald's. but I think they're too salty. I don't think he likes that we're rationing into them.
Wendy's was $4.65 for all that.
Round 5.
Now we have Arby's, which Adam didn't even know Arby's did chicken nugget meals.
Yep.
So one thing that I like about Arby's is their curly fries. I don't think Carston likes them though.
What is it?
I don't know. Person.
It's just a little person?
Does it do anything?
I don't think so. Lame, but yeah, not bad. I like chicken nuggets, or I like chocolate milk. This is a good one, even though I'm lactose intolerant. I don't care. Like Kalyn said, we have a chicken tender meal rather than a chicken nugget meal. The price for Arby's was $6.24 for 2 of these and fries and a drink.
So this is the second most expensive behind Chick-fil-A. But I think looking at the quality, it looks like a real chicken breast or chicken tender,
Yeah,
not processed chicken
this
nuggets.
is good. I'm gonna try the Arby's sauce. So without the sauce, I would rate this a 7 out of 10.
Chocolate milk.
I don't know. I don't like Arby's sauce.
Just being parents of a toddler, we know chicken nuggets pretty well. These taste just like the Tyson chicken nuggets from the freezer section at the grocery store.
Better than McDonald's
It is.
and Wendy's.
Yes. Mm.
Yeah, right? I don't know. We don't go to Arby's. This is kind of the second time I've ever been there, maybe third. And I don't like the Arby's sauce
I
that
don't
they
even
give
know
us.
what it is.
Me neither. It's funky.
It's like tomatoey but barbecuey.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, they're cloves.
Cloves? There's
Tastes
cloves?
like Christmas.
What do you rank the chicken?
I give it like an 8. It's good chicken. It's nothing spectacular. It's like you get this at a freezer section.
Okay.
Right?
So 8 and 7. What do you rank the French fries?
Bueno.
Bueno? Out of 10. What do you rate them?
I really like them. I'd give them a 9, especially
9?
the super curly ones.
Oh yeah, the curly ones are awesome. To me, these are a step down from the waffles. They're still pretty good, so I'm gonna say an 8. We've sat down and had dinner. We've had time to think about it. Kalyn, what is your favorite?
My favorite was Chick-fil-A, but I feel like I was a little biased because I already thought that would be my favorite going in. So, but my second favorite was Jack in the Box, which is a big surprise. I think this is the second time I had ever been to Jack in the Box. And I've never had their chicken nuggets before. They surprised me very much. We don't go to fast food often, but I think if we do go in the future again, I won't discount Jack in the Box as I have before. I have Chick-fil-A, Jack in the Box, Arby's, Wendy's, McDonald's.
I think I'm pretty much the same, actually. I think Chick-fil-A is my top because they have the grilled or the crispy nuggets as an option. And I like both. They're really good. They have Chick-fil-A sauce for free. You don't have to buy it, at least at our Chick-fil-A. And then the French fries, delicious, and they're super nice.
And
so
their
I
toy,
think,
you can't break this one easily.
yeah, you can't break it.
He's already broken the Sonic one multiple times.
But I was impressed with the chicken tenders from Arby's. I was impressed with all of Jack in the Box. So I think I'd rate mine the same. I'd go Chick-fil-A, Jack in the Box, Arby's, Wendy's, and McDonald's is last.
And we did do this one for Carston, and his ranking is different than ours. Chick-fil-A was also his favorite one, but then he would have McDonald's.
Yeah.
And then Wendy's. He did not even try the Jack in the Box ones, really, and he wouldn't try the Arby's.
He took a bite of the Jack in the Box, but there's some seasoning in there he doesn't like. And then, yeah, he didn't even try Arby's. And Wendy's took forever.
Oh, it was ridiculous.
I don't know why the Wendy's around us takes forever, but they took forever. McDonald's was fast. Jack in the Box was the quickest and the cheapest for the value, I think.
For the drinks, the chocolate milk at McDonald's is nowhere near as good as the chocolate milk at Arby's. The Arby's chocolate milk was surprisingly good. It was a lot thicker and creamier. The McDonald's one tasted like skim milk with a little bit of chocolate in it.
This was lots of fun, and Carston had fun. He got dirty. We changed his shirt.
He had all the French fries he could want.
We're having fun playing with the toys, so we will see you next time on the Ustach Kitchen Table. If you enjoyed this episode, go watch all of our other ones. There's a playlist that I'm going to link to it, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to see my channel, subscribe to it. If you enjoy these videos, that would be greatly appreciated. Give it a like, and share it with your friends, because we're having lots of fun making these videos, and we're going to keep making them.
But we'll see you later. Bye.
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 Bye.